So the start's right here. The timing start isn't until you get through this gate. So this is a flat corner. This is where you really start to pick your speed. This turn here is fourth gear, nearly flat, has caught many people. It's the first time you get a chance to really feel your tires. It's over 100 miles an hour, and the cars are making good downforce down here at 9,000.
Yeah, you're like split-second decisions here.
Yeah, well, pretty much the whole way. This whole bottom section is one of the 3 sections of the track. This is more like a race course down here. The road's in great condition. It's very flowy. You're carrying momentum, good braking. Then the middle section we'll get to is the W's. And then the top section has a completely different character, and it's like on a different planet.
He was looking right at the sky. That is insane.
This is probably the best vantage on the whole course.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but that's the run. Any questions on that?
That's pretty awesome. I give you guys all the respect in the
Oh,
world.
it's 12 and a half miles of fury. It's awesome.
Well, and we
For sure.
hope to see you back next year.
Yeah, me too. Me
Yeah,
too.
same.